Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you how to rename your LEDGER Nano S Plus. To do it, you'll need to either use your Android phone or a desktop app, the LEDGER Live app. Then go to My LEDGER. Once your LEDGER is connected, I'll need to unlock my device first. Okay, now let's retry. And you can rename it up here at the top. Just select a name for it. Just gonna remove the last digits. I'm gonna confirm it. Allow device remaining on the device. Close it. And now it's done. And I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.